Good morning, everyone. I would like to welcome you all to the listing ceremony of Marcolines Traffic Controls Limited. I will like to give you a special welcome to Mr. Sanjay Patil, Managing Director, Marcolines Traffic Controls Limited. Mr. Vijay Oswal, Chief Financial Officer, Marcolines Traffic Controls Limited. Mr. Ashish Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO, BSC Limited. Mr. Alok Hallalka, Managing Director, Gritex Corporate Services Limited. Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head BSc and SME, BSc Limited. Also, Mr. Karan Bora, Director, Marcolines Traffic Controls Limited, and Mr. Atul Bora. Moving forward, I would like Mr. Sanjay Patil to please felicitate our chief guest, Ashish Chauhan, Managing Director, CEO at BSc Limited. Now I would request Mr. Vijay Oswal to please felicitate Ajay Thakur, Head BSc and SME, BSc Limited. Moving forward to the next element of the event, that is lighting of lamp. I would request all the guests kindly move forward to the lamp for lighting of lamp. Thank you, everyone. Please settle down. Please settle down. Moving forward to the next part of the event, I would like to call Mr. Ashish Chauhan to come forward and say a few words. Before that, a short profile on Mr. Ashish Chauhan. Mr. Ashish Chauhan. No, sir. Okay,
sir. Shri Sanjay Patil, Founder, Chairman and Managing Director, Marco Lines Traffic Controls. Shri Vijay Oswal, Founder and Chief Financial Officer, Marco Lines Traffic Controls. Shri Alok Harlalka, Managing Director, Gritex Corporate Services. Shri Ajay Thakur, Head BSE SME. Good morning to everyone present at the BSE International Convention Center as we celebrate the equity listings of Marco Lines Traffic Controls. A warm welcome to BSE, India's leading and most diverse exchange that provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in a bouquet of products like equities, debt, derivatives, currencies, commodities, interest rates, distribution of mutual funds, insurance, stock lending, borrowing, and agricultural products. BSE has played a prominent role in developing the Indian capital markets by being Asia's first exchange, India's first universal exchange, and the fastest exchange in the world with a speed of 6 microseconds. BSE puts forward a strong and robust platform for its over 8 crore investors to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology, and trustworthy clearing services. Listing on the exchange helps company to move forward, open new avenues and opportunities for growth, as seen from over 4,700 companies listed on BSE, making it the world's largest platform in terms of listed companies. The BSE platform is designed to not only provide liquidity, but also bring efficiency and transparency in the price discovery mechanism for newly listed companies. We are confident that by listing on BSE, Marco Lines Traffic Controls will not only be able to enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base that will support its business expansion plans. The IPO book built issue consisted of 51,28,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a fixed issue price of rupees 78, aggregating to rupees 39.99 crores. The issue was subscribed 2.07 times with 1.29 times in the retail category and 1.30 times in the NII category, making it an extremely successful IPO. I congratulate the management of Marco Lines Traffic Controls, merchant bankers, Gritex Corporate Services, and everyone else involved with this issue for a successful listing as they forge forward in their business. BSE looks forward to continue its relationship with Marco Lines Traffic Controls as a preferred fundraising partner as it expands its reach and growth in scale. We look forward to a long and fruitful relationship in the years to come. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Moving forward, I would like to call Mr. Ajay Thakur for a few words. A short profile on him.
Respected Chairman and MD, Marco Line, Sri Sanjay Patil ji, Chief Financial Officer, Marco Line, Sri Vijay Oswal ji, Sri Atul Bora ji, distinguished guests, colleagues from BSE, it's really a great occasion that today 347th company Marco Line is going to get listed on BSE SME platform. I remember meeting Vijay Oswal ji around 2 years back, and we have a long deliberation on getting the company listed on a stock exchange. And after 3-4 follow-up, finally we met in Belapur office along with the merchant banker Alok Harlalka ji and my team member Anand Chari and Anush Thakur. And again, we have long discussion with the management, almost I think 2.5 hours. And finally, we were able to convince all the 3 founder directors to get their company listed on the stock exchange. But again, it was a long phase. And after that also, I think it took more than 1 year to finally, taking this company on this listing platform. And today, the day has come when we are seeing this company to get listed onto the stock exchange platform. We are very thankful to Sanjay ji, Bijay ji, Atul Bora ji, that you people have taken this decision to go and to come and get your company listed onto the stock exchange. BSE SME platform over the year has become a large platform. In fact, today is the largest SME platform, whereby we have transformed many small and medium enterprises into large corporates and create huge employment into the country. Of course, we have taken a lot of pain, and recently, under the leadership of Ashish Chauhan ji, we have also launched the startup platform, which is also doing good. It has started its journey. 3.5 years back, Ashish Chauhan ji has said that India is at the cusp of big growth, and the capital market will lead from the front, and in long term, we will see the Sensex breaking 60,000. And let me tell you, even in this corona period, we have seen a lot of fund flow into the country, having the foreign institutional investors and other investors having a lot of confidence into the marketplace. We have seen 8 crore investors getting registered on the fastest stock exchange in India. And I think it's the visionary approach of Ashish Chauhan ji that we have reached to this height. I am quite sure that going forward, Marcoline will become a large corporate, create huge market capitalization. Already, India is seeing a lot of thrust on infrastructure, and Marcoline is well placed in this sector. And of course, it will create huge wealth for all the stakeholders and create employment in this country. With this, I wish the promoters of the company, the investors, the staff, the employees of the company, all the best, and wish you great future ahead. With these words, thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving forward, I would like to call Mr. Sanjay Patil, Managing Director, Marcolines Traffic Controls Limited.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to welcome and thank Mr. Ashish Chauhan, Ajay Thakur, Alok Harlala, and all my colleagues for coming here and being part of this big event. Yes, as Ajay ji said, that he has really encouraged us to get Marcoline listed on this platform. It was little late, but still we could, Ajay ji was chasing us for last 2 years, but finally this year we decided that we'll be going for this listing. So I once again thank all the colleagues and everybody who was part in this process of getting listed. In a very short time, everyone has taken great effort to conclude on this listing. I think we are running a little bit short on time, so I won't speak much. So once again, thank you all and welcome for this event.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving forward, I would like to call Mr. Vijay Oswal, Chief Financial Officer, Marcolines Traffic Controls Limited.
Thank you, everybody, for being here, sparing the time. I know it is, some of us, the colleagues are missing because of some not thought event on the road, and I'm really missing my complete staff. Anyway, first of all, I welcome and thank Mr. Ashish ji and Mr. Ajay ji for being here for a big moment and event for all of us. Though, as mentioned, it took longer time, but finally we could reach here, and I'm really feeling overwhelmed to be here and speaking in front of all of you. Flat 35 days when we decided to go for listing and we come here, it's a great achievement, and I thank entire team of Marcolines, Greatex, and BSE who have supported us, have helped us to be here in such a short span. And it is really a proud, proud, proud moment for all of us. Just to quickly tell you about the Marcolines, we started in 2012 with a single product of road marking, wherein that is how our name came in as Marcolines. And slowly, over the years, we have grown into a multifold product line and services. Right from, we are the only company in India today offering the complete spectrum of these services, that is highway operations and highway maintenance, that includes toll operations, routine maintenance, incident management on the operation side. And on the maintenance side, we also do a lot of things like routine maintenance, preventive maintenance, and the major maintenances. Also, we are also into the specialized maintenance services like microsurfacing and the cold in place recycling. We have set lots of news and records and firsts in the highway O&M industry, and we feel really proud about the same. So this is our short journey from 2002 to 2021, right from a single product to be listed on BSE SME. And I thank all of you for that. Thank you very much.
I would request everyone to please settle down.
हमारे इसमें सारे दफ्तर आ जाएंगे, मेरे स्टाफ जो है सबके ये करें।
Moving forward, I would like to request Mr. Alok Halalka, Managing Director of Greatex Corporate Services, to please come forward and say a few words.
I welcome today's chief guest, MD CEO of BSE Limited, Ashish Chauhan ji, BSE SME Head Ajay Thakur sir, Anand Chari sir, and Promoter and Director of Marco Line Traffic Controls Limited, Atul Boraji, Karan Boraji, Vijay Oswal sir, and Sanjay Patil sir. I welcome you all the listing ceremony of Marco Lines Traffic Controls Limited with BSE SME Limited. Friends, I want to share that this company, Marco Line Traffic Control Limited, as Ajay sir correctly said, that this company, we signed the mandate for listing, I think it was 18 months before, approx. So, yeah, but because of pandemic and all, this company listing process gets delayed. But yeah, now it's on board. So I'm very happy that this company have got listed under the banner of Greatex Corporate Services Limited. We are SEBI registered category 1 merchant banker. And I want to give thanks to all the intermediaries who have joined us for list this company. Registrar Big Share Services, peer review auditor Gupta Agarwal and Associates, banker ICICI Bank Limited, legal MB Kinney law firm, and practicing company secretary Sanam, and market maker Greatex Share Booking, and underwriter Greatex Corporate. I thanks all the intermediaries who have supported us to list this company on BSE SM platform. And I'm very happy to share that this company was, when issue was done, the issue was subscribed by 2.07 times. It was oversubscribed. It's a very pride moment for all of us that yes, issue was oversubscribed by 2.07 times. So thanks to all the investors who have invested in the company, and I hope that with the performance of the company, definitely company is going to perform in the days to come, so investor can make money. So I'm hoping that this company will really going to rock. So I want to thank my entire team of Greatex and the Marco Line team who has supported us for this company, and definitely Ajay sir, Anand sir, Anuj and all, they have given this company to us for this company. So thank you very much, all the person who have supported us to lead this company. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Moving forward, we would like to distribute mementos. I would like to request Mr. Ashish Chauhan to please come forward and felicitate Mr. Sanjay Patil, Mr. Vijay Oswal, Mr. Karan Bora. Now I would request Mr. Ashish sir and Ajay sir to please felicitate Alok Halalka. Thank you, everyone. Please settle down. They'll give. Next, I will request Mr. Sanjay Patil to please felicitate Mr. Ashish Chauhan. Moving forward, Alok Halalka. Next is Dimple Slan. Neha Maya.
So this is for the greatest contribution the entire Greatex team has given, and we want to felicitate each one of them. So this is Neha.
Nabil Samshi.
Dimple Slan.
No, sir. Thank you, sir. Next is, I would like to request Mr. Alok Halalka to please felicitate Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head BSc SME and Startup. Ashish Chauhan, MD, BSc Limited. Ajay Thakur, Head BSc SME and Startup. Next is Mr. Sanjay Patil, Managing Director, Marcolines Traffic Controls Limited. Mr. Vijay Oswal, Chief Financial Officer. Mr. Atul Bora, Promoter, Marcoline Traffic Controls Limited. Mr. Karan Bora, Director, Marcolines Traffic Controls Limited. Marcolines team, please come forward. Thank you, everyone. Please settle down. I would like to request Mr. Parag to please come forward and give vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. With the immense pleasure, I would like to thank each one of you for being here, supporting us, bringing us to this huge level, giving us such a huge success. First of all, I thanks to all the investors. Then I would like to thank Mr. Ashish Chauhan, Managing Director, CEO BSC Limited, Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head BSC, SME, BSC Limited, Sanjay Patil sir, Vijay Oswal sir, Karan Bora sir, and Alok Kharalka sir, Managing Director, Greatex Corporate Services Limited, and our entire team of Marco Lines, without which it wasn't, we couldn't have succeed. And this was each one of us efforts which we have which is why we are here. I thank you and have a great day, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us.
आपका रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आप भी हो सकते हैं।
Excuse me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sir. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to us, sir. Happy birthday to you.
Sanjay sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
All the best.
Okay, एक step बाकी जा. बाकी जा. Yes, ready? Yes, one please. Thank you. Yes, ready? Yes. Closer. Yes, one please. Smile. Yeah. Thank you. Yes, perfect. Yes, ready? Yes. Thank you. Yes, ready? Thank you. सर थोड़ा सेंटर आ जाए, सेंटर सेंटर थोड़ा सेंटर में। हाँ ठीक है, ठीक ओके। मैम थोड़ा इसे Yes, ready? Yes.
The special maintenance team that looks after the microsurfacing and the CIPR, headed by Mr. Niyaz Momin.
Sir, idhar aa jaye, sir. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, front please, front. Yeah, perfect. Yes. Thank you.